feel like this is the way content creators get your attention now. Like they do the like up top angle, or like the, you know, oh yeah, this is just completely natural to be breaking my neck like this. Maybe I have it too high. Maybe center up a little bit. Maybe my haircut isn't the right way. You know what? There's always 1,000 maybes when you're trying to create something. Maybe it's perfect. All right, just made it to LA. Literally just checked in. Haven't even gotten comfortable yet. But if you've been following this channel and all 4 of its videos, then you know how from early on I kept saying, Hollyland, send me something. Send me a little something, something. Send me a little something, something. We got him. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
They didn't send this to me to keep. I have to send it back. This is a review. They didn't pay me anything to do any of this. They pretty much just have to take a couple photos and give my thoughts on the product. So yeah, don't worry. Let's open this up. Ooh. Here we go. All right, here we go. Nice packaging. Oh. Now, they did let me know that this is most likely going to be an open box version. So it's not going to be completely brand new creme de la creme, which is fine. Let's take a look. Oh, with the like green. Oh, I like it. Let me maybe rotate this around a little bit. Get a full appreciation. See, normally I'd be doing this at home where I got like my lighting and everything else, but I realized we're gonna use this, prop you up there. I made the mistake of letting them know like, hey, I'm gonna send this over to y'all as soon as we're done. And I was like, I'm not gonna be able to actually take these home to then give a review there. So that's fine though. I mean, they'll stay in LA. Super comfortable. They'll have little labels over there off to the side. So that's 3. Yeah, this is 1. You can, yeah, M for master. Maybe we shouldn't use M anymore. I know master and slave just sounds so crazy to me as a black man. All right, here we go. So you could tell from this main, that's what we'll say M stands for. Main headset has a couple differences, like the Hollyland on top, like the padding is green. I really like the green and black accents, or the green and like, it's almost like gunmetal gray, but with like a little hint of green in there. I don't know if you can see it. I do really love that. They're almost the same size in comparison. I don't see any big differences here. Yeah, except that this is black all around. The non-main ones, the subordinate ones, comes with its own, what's this, 3, 6, I don't know why I try to count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So an 8 charger base. And this looks really like good quality too. Like, yeah, it's plasticky, but it's got a nice little build to it. Oh, this is cute. These little like proprietary batteries. That's dope. And they're super light. And now, yeah, you're locked in. And then to eject, it's right here at the bottom. There you go. All right. On and off switch is at the back here. Cool. We'll just swap that on. Oh. This talks to me, muted, unmuted. Let's see if it says anything. All right, cool. Gives you a little ring when you go too high. You can come back down. Okay, doesn't give you a ring when you go too far up or far low. Cool. The thing I do like about these more than your regular Hollylands or the prior models is that you have a couple of different ways to communicate with these, right? So in the prior models, the way that you would either mute or unmute yourself is just like your up and down headset. And a few of the other comms like operate like that. Like when you want to mute yourself, push it up. When you want to unmute yourself, just pull it down. And that's cool, but when you're in the middle of doing like a million different things, sometimes you forget that this is either right here. Sometimes you forget that like, or you don't have it. This is the thing you see all the time. Like you put it like here. Right now where it's at, technically this is engaged. That mic is still, my mic is still hot. The thing I do love about these though, that's cool, is that it gives you a little click to let you know when you're past that threshold. So right now, mic is hot, mic is hot, mic is hot, mic is hot. Then it gave me a click, like not like a physical click, but like an audio click. And that lets me know, oh, okay, this is now muted. I can also just keep this down, and this gray button that's dead center on the side here, I can tap that, and now I'm muted. And it'll verbally say, hey, muted, unmuted, which is dope. So right now I'm muted out here. So whatever, even though it's here, won't be able to talk through it. Now, if I'm muted and then push it up and come back down, I'm back unmuted without me having to hit the unmute button. Anytime you start pressing and holding to push to talk, it immediately is going to then mute your mic. Because now if I press it again, it's telling me I'm muted. So now without touching anything, cool. I'm just yapping, yapping, yapping. I can press and hold, finish out my thought here. Once I let go, now I'm muted again. If I press it once again, now I'm latched again. Now it's just gonna have me keep going. I like this. It's a cool build. It's not like, it's super light. It doesn't feel like the most like, I mean, you don't want to necessarily like a tank on your ear. You want something that can fall, drop, hit the ground, keep it pushing. This is right or along those lines. I mean, it does feel a little plasticky, but we'll see. We're going to put it through its paces this weekend. I mean, I'm excited to see how it handles in a convention center. We're going to be literally in Los Angeles Convention Center. And you know, anytime you're filming anything or trying to use any type of wireless signal in a convention center, it's like all bad. You got everybody and their mother has a signal in there. Stuff is bouncing all over the place. The convention center itself has a bunch of signal stuff in there. It's always like, it sucks. We're going to be on one stage. I know there's at least 3 other stages all within that same area. So we're going to see how this performs. We're going to see how it handles. I'm not like a super duper, like I'm a tech guy, but I don't got all these specs and stuff off the top of the head. So we're just going to just give a real use case. We're going to have 2 operators. We're going to have 2 operators, a TD, me, probably give one the audio, and then our production folks. I guess I didn't even really talk about what I'm doing, right? So I am in LA for the BET Experience, which is like takes place at the convention center. It's always like the weekend before BET Awards. And so what we do is we take over the convention center, and it's like almost like a little mini conference. There's a bunch of activations. It's open to the public. It's free this year. I think it's free most years. And yeah, we're going to have performances. We're going to have a bunch of stuff going on. Now, what I'll be handling is the 106 in Park stage. So if you grew up watching 106 in Park, you'll appreciate it. We literally recreated the 106 in Park set on a stage. Got the couch, got the signage, got everything. And throughout the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we're going to have a bunch of programming going on there. We also will have a Twitch stream going out, as well as a secondary stream that'll be going to Times Square, to the Billboards in New York. So that'll be dope too. Yeah, man. So that's why I'm here. That's why we got these. I'm excited to bring y'all behind the scenes with me a little bit, as always. But before we do any of that, I need to eat. What's the first thing y'all do after y'all check into a hotel? Like, sometimes it's eat. Other times I feel like I gotta like just take a shower and get the airplane off of me, especially like a cross country flight. Like once you get past 5 hours, I need I need fresh clothes. I'm probably not gonna do that this time because I feel like I'm gonna end up having to go to the office and work again. Which reminds me, I have a meeting in 12 minutes. So yeah, shower's not gonna cut it, but maybe some food will. Anyway,